Okay, my people, you all are welcome. This is Almighty, aka Chima, representing Ukwuani land from Ogume, Ndokwa West local government area, Delta State, soon to be Anioma State. This is Elder Boyogu, a great elder from Ukwuani land. Ukwuani people are fully representing Igbo. Tomorrow we are going to Enugu State for the public hearing of Anioma State, and we are going to fully represent Anioma people. Both Iru people in Edo State and the Banke people. We are also representing the entire Ika people in Edo State.
Yes.
So, Elder Boyogo, what do you have to say to them?
My people, I'm making a job. I'm in the building. As I get the job from inside my heart, because what I've been dreaming of, what our forefathers have fought, what our forefathers have paid for, what our forefathers have sacrificed their blood coming to fruition, which is Igbo unification. Let us not deceive ourselves. Say a maker not be maker, chime not be chima, onyeme not be nyema. How much this one are confusion? When our enemy take the deceive us, you therefore those they say you know na only nyema be Igbo na lie.
Just imagine.
This is time for us to open our brain, and I will thank God that God has given us opportunity for us to unite. First of all, the unification started with claiming our territory back to our kids and the kids in the southeast.
Yes.
Which Anioma. Anioma State did not start with the network. Anioma State, they don't start out before they called them hungry.
Yes.
It started with our forefather, political forefather like Sadeni
Sadebe,
Senator Igbo, great men. Yes. Chief J. Isaac from Tagono, late. BC Joma from Abo, those are people that started Anioma State Creation. Now, my brother Almighty, Spirit Almighty,
Power.
Never Boyogu.
Okay.
Onye mejimepo, onye tagbo na eboro government. Osaka this unification.
I beg, bless me.
He says, he say, Nekuna, Ubwa Nekuna. It will come from Igbo unity. Because Koboko when flog the maker go flog the maker.
No, body go tell her. Body go tell her.
The Koboko when house Aflani Yoruba and the Yareba. Then when they take flog a chima, go flog chima.
As they destroy house for Lagos. No be only Southeast one that they destroy. A maker from Abo go collect.
Yes.
A house must fall.
And a maker from
Ukwuani person where name na Ejima.
Yes.
Before they go first 4 person where they Southeast, they go for your own.
So our movement tomorrow is to Enugu. Spirit Almighty here. Myself
Deputy
and
Jesus.
Deputy Jesus and our person Ochonogo and Ukwuani person. We are going to Enugu on invitation to participate in the Senate Committee public hearing on a boundary adjustment and state creation.
Power.
I will be presenting paper memorandum on behalf of a car speaking people
Worldwide.
Almighty said we present on behalf of Iru in the Edo State.
Yes.
All this is very federal, they say very federal, but when it turns to minority, when we are majority, up and up end.
Yes.
So am I speaking that?
You are speaking. You are speaking facts.
The time for all the ending Nasubia, Onu Nasubia, Igbo Nasubia to unite this one. I want to ask my last question. Fulani the claim land for Benin, claim land, claim people, then they shout. What if Nigeria break up? Where will they go? When I want to join Yareba.
You want to join Yareba or you want to join Fulani?
Now we will be Soko when put on an app during the civil war. Say this is an Igbo, now I want to join. Look, I do no book, not they save you. Now get sense, now be the team.
Now who gets sense?
No, I do no book, not be the team. Now who gets sense? So the time we go use our brain don't come for Igbo unification. First of all, we start with the Anioma State creation. Why am I Ukwuani people against the creation of Anioma State? Catching a bush in Ndokwa and Bicon and Ariono. Can you show that against the creation of Anioma State?
Ndokwa Nishini no lao.
Nishini no lao. Where can Anioma don't have question I'm marginalized. But man, I train you can on person. That tune in the king and when why should you da the opposite way when you do wife for the Ranganga? So Anioma State is a reality. It's not about APDP. It's not about APC.
It's about we Anioma.
It's a way about Anioma people. to have our own freedom, socio-economic freedom, manage our resources. When we can go on Ukwuani, now I'm going to senator occasion and your mouth, which you know Ukwuani.
Ukwuani can we senator?
And Almighty man, the Asaba senator. Yeah, but assassin.
Also, Ukwuani can represent.
President, Bikoni Kunariono.
Bikoni.
Apufuna Yankaposa.
Don't allow anyone to deceive you. Emeka from Ukwuani is a brother to Emeka in Enugu.
Chima Bungune.
Wenegwebo.
Onyema and Onyema Bufu. So, Chikoraje Enugu, they represent and the South in this Senate public hearing in the boundary adjustment and state creation.
Mind you, Anioma State is going to Southeast.
Yes.
Anioma will never be in South. We move.
We move.
Power. Power. Elder boy.
Yeah.